Hello friends, I'm Shamshuddin. I welcome you financial accounting classes. In this class, I'm going to solve problems relating to consignment accounts. Let us read the problem. Gururaj of Raichur consigned goods to Nagaraj of Gulbarga at a pro forma invoice price of rupees 40,000, which is 25% above cost price. He paid rupees 2000 towards freight and rupees 1200 towards insurance and other charges. Nagaraj took delivery of the goods and paid unloading charges and entrance tax of rupees 400. His other expenses were godown rent rupees 200 and selling expenses rupees 400. He sold 2/4 of the goods for rupees 46,000. He sold 3/4 of the goods. He sold 3/4 of the goods for rupees 46,000. He was entitled to an ordinary commission of 5% and Del Credor commission of 2% on sales. He sent a draft for the balance to Guru Raja. Prepare consignment account, consignee account, and goods sent on consignment in the books of consignor. Before preparation of accounts, we must calculate consignment stock and commission. Let us calculate. First of all, we should understand the method of pricing. Goods are sent in different pricing methods. For example, sales price sales price is equal to cost price plus profit. Cost price is equal to sales price minus profit. Profit is equal to sales price minus cost price. The same can be explained like this. SP is equal to CP plus P. CP is equal to SP minus P. P is equal to SP minus CP. Here, profit may be called as a loading. We can call profit as a loading. Whenever consignor is sending goods to the consignee for sale, he may send goods based on cost price or he can send on sales price. The pricing of goods are given in the problem. If 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 pricing is given 25 percentage on above the cost price. In such cases, loading can be Loading can be calculated calculated as follows. Sales price SP is equal to CP plus P. In this case, if cost price is 100, the profit is 25%. It is 25% is on 100. Okay. It means that 100 plus 25, it is 125. This 125 is equivalent to sales price. In this problem, problem goods are sent for rupees 40,000, which is priced on invoice price. 25% on cost price. It means if cost price is 100, loading or profit must be included is 25%. That is equivalent to 100 plus 25 is equal to 125. Therefore, in this problem, invoice price is given rupees 40,000. It is equivalent to 125. Therefore, loading included in rupees 40,000 is equal to 40,000 divided by 125 into 25. It is rupees 8,000. This is loading on goods sent. After calculation of consignment stock, let us calculate commission payable to consignee. This commission is calculated based on the sales. In this problem, commission is calculated by taking 5% on ordinary. First one, there are two components, ordinary commission. Ordinary commission is paid based on the sales. Here the total sales are rupees 46,000. Sales 46,000. The percentage is 5. We'll take 5%. It is 2,300. And the other component of communication is del creditor. Del creditor commission. Why del creditor commission is paid? Del creditor commission is paid that if consignee is bearing all the losses on account of credit sales or due to non-payment of debtors. In such cases, additional commission is paid to consignee. That is also based on sales. Here 46,000 sales, that percentage is 2%. 2% is on this amount. It is 920. So 920 plus 2300, it becomes 3220. This is the total commission payable to consignee for his sales. After calculation of commission, let us calculate loading on closing stock. Loading on closing or consignment stock. Consignment stock or closing stock. Unsold stock. Unsold stock or consignment stock. Consignment stock in this problem is equal to 1/4 of rupees 40,000. That is 10,000. This we have calculated. On this 10,000, loading is equal to, loading means profit added. Loading is nothing but profit included, is equal to 10,000 into 25 by 125. This is equal to 2,000 rupees. 2,000. After calculation of loading, let us calculate consignment stock. Consignment stock, we may call it as closing stock or unsold stock. Closing stock is calculated by taking into account the goods sent minus sales. In this problem, I'll take particulars and rupees. In this problem, 1/4 of invoice price of rupees 40,000 is unsold stock. It means that 40,000 into 1/4, it is 10,000. In this, we have to add non-recurring, means proportionate non-recurring expenses. While calculation of consignment stock is made, the portion relating to consignor and consignee in connection with non-recurring expenses must be taken. In this problem, non-recurring expenses incurred by the consignor are, one is freight rupees 2,000, freight rupees 2,000, insurance rupees 1,200. So the total amount 3,200. This is incurred for 40,000. But the unsold stock is for 10,000. The proportionate amount is 800, and the portion relating to consignee consignee has incurred rupees 400 unloading charges, unloading unloading and other charges 400. This 400 is incurred for 40,000. We'll take care. 40,000, it is 400. What is for 10,000? It is rupees 100. So here add these two amount to total 10,000, means 10,900. This will be the consignment stock, or we can call it is value of consignment stock or unsold stock. Calculation of consignment stock. Let us prepare ledger accounts in the books of Guru Raj of Raichur. He is the consignor. In his book, the first account is prepared consignment. I'll prepare consignment account is like this. I have to take particulars. First column I'll take particulars, rupees, particulars, rupees. This is debit, this is credit. The first step is goods sent on consignment. This is consignment account. I'll write consignment. The total goods sent by consignor is rupees 40,000. This is invoice price. This is very important. Next, while sending the goods, he has incurred expenses. He has incurred for expenses. He has incurred for freight. For freight, it is 2,000. And for insurance, it is 1,200. Total 3,200 expenses incurred by consignor. After received these items, consignee has incurred expenses. I'll take consignee is Nagaraj account. He has incurred for expenses. Nagaraj has incurred expenses such as loading and other charges 400, and he has spent for godown rent rupees 200, and selling expenses he has incurred rupees 400. Total 1,000 rupees he has incurred. And During this year, he has sold the goods. Nagaraj account. It is sale proceeds, which the amount received. He has sold three-fourth of goods. Three-fourth of goods he sold. Three-fourth of rupees 40. Three-fourth of three-fourth of goods he sold for rupees 46,000. And there is a stock consignment stock that is calculated 10,900. And after this we have to give commission to Nagaraj. That commission is calculated. Commission in this problem is given 3% and 2%, total 5%. 5% plus 2% on the total 46,000. That we have calculated already. That is 3,220. After these calculations, we have to close the accounts. First, we have to total the credit side as it is higher than the debit side. Before the closing, we must cancel. Let us cancel loading on goods sent on consignment. Here in this amount, 40,000 amount, the loading is included 40,000 into 25 by 125 or 1 by 5. So 8,000 loading is included in rupees 40,000. In a similar way, consignment stock 1/4 of 40,000, that is 10,000. The loading included in consignment stock must be cancelled by writing stock reserve. Here 10,000 into 25 by 125 or 1 by 5. So it is 2,000. After cancellation of reserves and loading on goods sent, let us close the accounts. I'll total this. The total amount 46, 56, 64,900 is the total. Same amount I should write here, 64,900. Out of 64,900, we should minus 40,000 plus 3,200, 1,000, 3,220 and 2,000. The remaining is profit and loss account. That is 15,480. This will be transferred. Nagaraj is consignee in this problem. This account is prepared with the help of consignment account. I'll take columns. One is particulars, another is rupees. Particulars and rupees. This is credit and this is debit. In consignment account, credit side, there is a by Nagaraj. It means that it is in Nagaraj account, it is to consignment. It is sales. He has received rupees 46,000 on account of sales. Out of that, consignor has to pay. That is given in consignment account debit side towards expenses incurred by consignee. Rupees 1,000 he has incurred. Next, one more item, consignment. It is relating to commission. Commission payable to Nagaraja by consignor. That is 3,220. And final amount is settled by paying to consignor. 46,000 total. We have to take 46,000. From 46,000, we must deduct 4,220. The difference would be 41,780. This is bank. It is final settlement. Final settlement. In this way, consignee account must be prepared. After preparation of consignee account, the last account we must prepare is goods sent on. Goods sent on consignment. Here particulars, amount, that is rupees, particulars, rupees. This is account, we must write credit. This account is also prepared with the help of consignment account. In consignment account, first item is 2 goods sent on consignment. The same amount is credited in goods sent on consignment, rupees 40,000. And this problem is relating to invoice price. The loading must be cancelled, which is done in consignment credit side, that is loading. Loading is deducted, that is 40,000 into 25 by 125 or 1 by 5,000. The remaining amount must be transferred to trading account. That is trading account. It is transferred. In this way, ledger accounts is prepared. Thank you. Jai Hind.